Welcome, fellow explorers, to a journey unlike any other, a voyage into the hidden corridors of nature, where life transcends the boundaries of time, and death is not the final chapter, but merely a pause in an endless cycle. Today, we dive deep into the secrets of life that have baffled scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. In a world where our human experience is marked by fleeting moments and inevitable endings, there exist extraordinary species that challenge the very notion of mortality. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ancient forest, where every rustle of the leaves tells a story of survival and rebirth. Picture yourself beneath the shimmering surface of a deep blue ocean, where mysterious creatures drift through time with an ageless grace. Have you ever wondered how some beings manage to defy the conventional rules of life, continually renewing themselves in ways that seem almost magical? Today we unravel the Immortality blueprint, a natural design so intricate that it promises not only wonder but lessons for us all. In our exploration, we will encounter creatures whose lives seem to rewrite the natural order. We'll explore tales of organisms that regenerate their cells, reverse aging, and even return to a youthful state, as if turning back the clock on time itself. Consider for a moment the astonishing ability of these species to maintain vitality in the face of decay, to repair damaged tissues with a resilience that defies our understanding of nature's limits. But this story is more than just a scientific marvel. It is an invitation to question our own existence. As you listen, I urge you to reflect on your own life experiences. Recall moments of renewal and unexpected strength, times when you found the courage to overcome insurmountable odds. Let these reflections ignite a spark of curiosity within you as we delve into the blueprint of immortality and uncover the strategies that have allowed some species to outsmart death. Our journey today will take us across diverse landscapes, from the microscopic realm of water-dwelling marvels to the mysterious depths where ancient creatures reside. With each step, we will piece together clues from the natural world, discovering how evolution has crafted a roadmap for eternal renewal. This roadmap is not merely a marvel of nature. It is a testament to the enduring power of life and a beacon of hope for anyone who has ever dreamed of transcending the limitations of aging. As you settle in, I invite you to engage actively with this narrative. Pause the video if you wish, jot down your thoughts and ask yourself, what if the secret to overcoming the inevitability of time lay hidden in the very fabric of nature? What if the blueprint for eternal life is not the stuff of fantasy, but a tangible, measurable phenomenon waiting to be uncovered? Every question you ponder is a doorway to deeper understanding. Every moment of wonder, a stepping stone to unveiling nature's most guarded secrets. Consider the ancient wisdom encoded within every living cell, a silent testament to millions of years of evolution. Throughout time, nature has refined mechanisms of healing and regeneration that seem to defy the finality of death. As we explore these processes, you will begin to see parallels between the resilience of these immortal species and the strength that lies dormant within your own spirit. This journey is not solely about the marvels of biology. It is about reconnecting with the awe-inspiring force that fuels all life. By delving into the secrets of these remarkable beings, we open a window into the infinite possibilities that reside within us all. In our modern world, where the pace of life often leaves little room for introspection, this exploration offers a rare pause, a moment to marvel at the intricate dance of life. The lessons embedded in the biology of these extraordinary species remind us that every end can be transformed into a new beginning. Their story mirrors our own struggles and triumphs, encouraging us to view each day as an opportunity for renewal. As we stand on the threshold of discovery, let us embrace the idea that aging is not an unchangeable destiny, but a challenge to be met with courage, creativity, and boundless curiosity. So, dear viewer, prepare to embark on an adventure that transcends time and space. Let your mind wander as we traverse the hidden pathways of nature's eternal design, and allow yourself to be captivated by revelations that may forever alter your perception of life and death. This is not merely a scientific journey, it is a celebration of existence, a call to awaken the dormant potential within, and an invitation to reimagine what it means to truly live. Let us now venture deeper into the realm of extraordinary life forms. Our first stop is the microscopic world of the tardigrade, colloquially known as the water bear. These tiny creatures, nearly invisible to the naked eye, have captivated scientists with their incredible ability to survive conditions that would obliterate most forms of life. Tardigrades inhabit every corner of our planet, from the frozen expanses of the Arctic to the scorching heat of desert sands. When exposed to the vacuum of space or lethal doses of radiation, these resilient beings enter a state called cryptobiosis, effectively pausing their biological functions until conditions become favorable again. This remarkable survival strategy is nature's way of hitting the pause button on life, allowing tardigrades to outlast environments that seem utterly inhospitable. Next, we travel to the freshwater realms where the hydra makes its home. The hydra, a small tubular creature adorned with delicate flowing tentacles, is a marvel of regenerative biology. Unlike most organisms that succumb to the ravages of time, the hydra appears to defy aging altogether. Its cells are in a constant state of renewal, enabling it to repair injuries and even regenerate lost parts with astonishing efficiency. This relentless cycle of regeneration has earned the hydra a reputation as a symbol of biological immortality. For scientists, the hydra is a living laboratory. Its simple structure belies a complex system that challenges conventional theories of aging and opens new avenues for research into cellular rejuvenation. Our journey continues beneath the waves, where we encounter the ocean quahog, a species of clam known for its extraordinary longevity. These clams reside in the dark, cold waters of the North Atlantic, growing so slowly that some individuals have been found to be over 500 years old. Each ring in an ocean quahog's shell tells a story of centuries gone by, a silent chronicle of survival against the relentless passage of time. The ocean quahog's enduring life is a testament to nature's slow and deliberate pace, reminding us that longevity is often achieved through steady persistence rather than rapid growth. Perhaps one of the most astonishing examples of natural regeneration is found in the world of flatworms, particularly the planarian. These simple, unassuming creatures possess an almost magical ability. If a planarian is cut into pieces, each fragment can regenerate into a complete, fully functional organism. This extraordinary capacity for regeneration is not merely a defense mechanism. It is a fundamental characteristic that allows the planarian to bypass the conventional limits of aging. Its ability to reconstruct its entire body from a fragment is a vivid illustration of nature's power to renew itself continuously, offering tantalizing clues to the secrets of eternal youth. As we explore these remarkable stories, it becomes evident that the concept of immortality in nature is not confined to myth or legend. Each of these species employs a unique strategy to outsmart death, a strategy honed by millions of years of evolution. The tardigrade's metabolic suspension, the hydra's ceaseless cellular turnover, the ocean quahog's slow and enduring life, and the planarian's unparalleled regenerative prowess all represent different facets of a common theme. Life, in its diverse forms, has evolved ingenious methods to endure and thrive despite the inevitability of decay. Reflect for a moment on the implications of these natural wonders. What if the secrets underlying their longevity could be understood, and perhaps one day applied to human health? Imagine a world where cellular repair mechanisms are so advanced that injuries heal instantaneously, where age-related decline is but a distant memory. The stories of these resilient creatures challenge us to rethink the boundaries of life and to consider the possibility that immortality, or at least a significant extension of life, might one day be within our grasp. Consider, too, the environmental and evolutionary factors that have shaped these strategies. In harsh and unpredictable environments, survival depends on the ability to adapt quickly and efficiently. The tardigrade's ability to enter cryptobiosis, for instance, is a direct response to extreme conditions, an adaptation that has allowed it to persist in environments ranging from boiling hot springs to the frozen wastes of polar regions. Similarly, the regenerative prowess of the hydra and planarian is a product of evolutionary pressures that favored individuals capable of rapid recovery from injury. Each strategy is a testament to the creativity and resilience inherent in the natural world. As we marvel at these phenomena, let your mind wander to the possibilities they inspire. How might the study of these organisms influence future breakthroughs in medicine? Could understanding the molecular mechanisms behind their longevity pave the way for revolutionary treatments that combat aging and promote health? The answers may lie hidden within the genetic code of these ancient species, waiting to be deciphered by scientists and innovators. In the silent, enduring lives of these creatures, we find a narrative of survival that transcends the ordinary. Their stories are a mosaic of resilience, adaptation, and renewal, a blueprint for outsmarting death that challenges our understanding of life's limitations. Each example serves as a beacon of hope, a reminder that the potential for renewal is woven into the very fabric of existence. As we continue our exploration, keep these stories in mind and allow them to spark your own curiosity about the mysteries of life and longevity. Transitioning from the captivating stories of nature's resilient creatures, we now delve into the scientific blueprint that underpins these extraordinary feats. This blueprint is a complex tapestry woven from the threads of cellular regeneration, genetic regulation, and environmental adaptation, a tapestry that researchers are only beginning to unravel. At its core lies the concept of cellular renewal, a process that defies the conventional trajectory of aging seen in most organisms. Central to this process is the role of telomeres, protective structures at the ends of chromosomes that safeguard our genetic material during cell division. In most organisms, telomeres shorten with each division, eventually leading to cellular aging and death. However, in species that exhibit negligible senescence, such as the hydra, mechanisms exist to maintain or even lengthen these telomeres. The enzyme telomerase is a key player in this process, effectively replenishing the protective caps and allowing cells to continue dividing without succumbing to the typical signs of aging. This remarkable ability to preserve cellular integrity is one of the cornerstones of the Immortality blueprint, offering profound insights into how life might be extended in more complex organisms. Another critical aspect of this blueprint is the robust system of DNA repair that these species possess. Our cells are in a constant battle against damage from environmental stresses, radiation, and metabolic byproducts. In most organisms, the accumulation of DNA damage over time leads to cellular dysfunction and the gradual decline of tissue health. In contrast, organisms like the tardigrade have evolved an array of specialized proteins that detect and repair DNA damage with extraordinary efficiency. This rapid and effective repair mechanism not only preserves the integrity of the genome, but also plays a vital role in the organism's ability to recover from extreme conditions, essentially resetting the clock on cellular aging. Stem cells also feature prominently in this scientific blueprint. These undifferentiated cells possess the unique ability to develop into various specialized cell types, making them essential for tissue repair and regeneration. In organisms that exhibit extensive regenerative capacities, such as planarians, stem cells are abundant and highly active, continuously replenishing and restoring damaged tissues. This constant turnover of cells is a critical factor in maintaining the organism's youthful state and is a major area of interest in regenerative medicine research today. In addition to these cellular mechanisms, genetic pathways play a pivotal role in regulating longevity. Research has identified several signaling pathways, such as the insulin, IGF-1 and mTOR pathways, that are intimately involved in controlling growth, metabolism and aging. Modulating these pathways has been shown to extend lifespan in laboratory models, suggesting that a delicate balance of growth and repair is essential for achieving prolonged life. The interplay between these genetic signals and the organism's environment further underscores the complexity of the Immortality blueprint, highlighting how factors like nutrient availability and stress can influence the aging process. Environmental influences themselves are integral to this narrative. Many of the species we have discussed thrive in extreme conditions where survival necessitates a heightened ability to adapt and regenerate. For example, the tardigrade's survival in harsh environments is a direct consequence of its capacity to enter a state of metabolic suspension, a strategy that minimizes cellular damage during periods of extreme stress. Similarly, the slow, methodical growth of the ocean quahog is a reflection of an evolutionary strategy that prioritizes long-term stability over rapid development. These adaptations reveal a sophisticated relationship between an organism and its environment, a relationship that is central to the concept of biological immortality. As scientists continue to decode these natural phenomena, the potential applications for human health and longevity become increasingly apparent. Imagine therapies that harness the power of telomerase to rejuvenate aging cells, or treatments derived from the tardigrades' DNA repair proteins that could protect our cells from the ravages of radiation and oxidative stress. Advances in stem cell research and genetic modulation hold the promise of regenerative therapies that could one day repair damaged tissues and reverse the effects of aging. Although these possibilities remain on the horizon, the scientific blueprint laid out by nature offers a roadmap for future breakthroughs. The study of these mechanisms is not merely an academic exercise. It represents a tangible step toward understanding how life itself can be prolonged and improved. Each discovery brings us closer to a future where the boundaries between aging and eternal youth are blurred, where the secrets of regeneration and renewal are no longer confined to the natural world but become part of our everyday lives. The Immortality Blueprint is a testament to the resilience of life, a promise that the end of aging may one day be within reach. As we continue to explore and unravel these secrets, we invite you to join us on this scientific quest, a journey where every breakthrough is a step toward a healthier, more enduring future. Now let us shift our focus from the realm of scientific discovery to the more personal, emotional dimensions of our exploration. The concept of immortality is not merely a scientific puzzle. It is a mirror reflecting our deepest hopes, fears, and desires. It compels us to confront our own mortality and to question what it truly means to live a fulfilling life. As you listen, I encourage you to engage with these ideas on a personal level, to allow the stories of nature's immortal beings to inspire you to embrace your own capacity for renewal and resilience. Think back to a time in your life when you faced a seemingly insurmountable challenge. Perhaps it was a period of loss, a setback that left you questioning your future, or a moment when you felt overwhelmed by the relentless march of time. In those moments of despair, consider the possibility that, like the hydra or the planarian, you too possess an inner strength, a regenerative power that can help you overcome adversity and emerge stronger than before. Reflect on how these experiences have shaped you, and allow the resilience inherent in these stories to remind you that every ending is, in fact, a precursor to a new beginning. Imagine for a moment that you could draw upon the same natural blueprint that grants these creatures their near-immortal qualities. How would your life change if you viewed setbacks not as definitive endpoints, but as opportunities to regenerate and evolve? What if every challenge you faced was simply a call to harness your inner potential for renewal? The lessons embedded in the natural world urge us to rethink our approach to life's trials, to see each obstacle as a stepping stone toward growth, rather than as a final verdict on our capabilities. I invite you to actively participate in this dialogue. As you absorb these stories, take a moment to pause and reflect. Share your thoughts, your questions, and your personal experiences in the comments below. Engage with fellow viewers who, like you, are on a quest for understanding and transformation. Together, we form a community united by curiosity and the shared desire to unlock the secrets of longevity, not just in nature, but within ourselves. Consider the emotional impact of witnessing these natural wonders. The thought of a creature that can regenerate its very being, that defies the inevitable decay of time, is profoundly moving. It challenges our conventional narratives of life as a linear progression from birth to death, and instead offers a vision of existence that is cyclical, dynamic, and full of endless possibilities. In this vision, every setback can be transformed into a triumph, every loss into a lesson, and every moment into an opportunity for rebirth. Allow yourself to be inspired by this perspective. Let the regenerative power of these organisms ignite a spark within you, a spark that fuels your determination to pursue your dreams, overcome obstacles, and embrace change with courage and optimism. Recognize that the potential for renewal lies not only in the biological realm, but also in the human spirit. Every time you rise after a fall, every time you find the strength to continue in the face of adversity, you are, in essence, embodying the very blueprint of immortality. This narrative is not just a scientific exploration. It is a call to action for each of us to live with intention and resilience. It is an invitation to reimagine our lives as a series of continuous renewals, where the challenges of today serve as the foundation for the successes of tomorrow. As you journey through this story, remember that the lessons of nature are not confined to the natural world. They are reflections of our own capacity to grow, adapt, and ultimately thrive. As we approach the close of this segment, let these reflections guide you. Embrace the idea that every moment, no matter how difficult, holds within it the seed of transformation. Your journey, like that of the immortal species we have explored, is a testament to the enduring power of renewal. Let this understanding fill you with hope and inspire you to forge ahead, knowing that within you lies the blueprint for overcoming any challenge and creating a life filled with endless possibility. In conclusion, our journey through the Immortality blueprint has taken us from the extraordinary survival strategies of the natural world to the cutting-edge science that seeks to unlock the secrets of eternal renewal. We have witnessed how creatures like tardigrades, hydras, ocean quahogs, and planarians defy the conventional laws of aging, each offering a unique perspective on how life can be sustained against all odds. This exploration is more than just an academic pursuit. It is a reflection on our own lives and the resilience that resides within each of us. The lessons gleaned from these remarkable species remind us that every challenge presents an opportunity for rebirth, every setback a chance to evolve, and every moment a possibility for renewal. They invite us to reimagine aging not as an inevitable decline, but as a dynamic process of continuous growth and transformation. As you move forward from this narrative, I encourage you to take these lessons to heart. Reflect on your own experiences, draw strength from the challenges you have overcome, and embrace the potential for renewal that lies within you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and join our community of curious minds dedicated to exploring the intersections of science, life, and the timeless pursuit of meaning. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure. The Immortality Blueprint is a story still unfolding, a narrative of resilience, hope, and endless possibility. Stay curious, stay inspired, and remember that the secret to defying death may well lie in the extraordinary capacity for renewal that exists within every living being.